What's up guys, welcome to my first video on my channel. Today I will be hunting monkeys with my 22 and I will be using a scope cam on top. So if you don't know what a scope cam is, it's something that you can put on your scope and then you can see how you're shooting inside of the scope. Sorry guys, I made this intro after the video. So please you guys, I'm sorry that I kept on talking another language, but next time I'll speak English instead. If you don't mind, just please press the subscribe button because we're trying to hit 100 followers at the end of the year. And then we made our way to go hunt some monkeys. Let's have a quick pause. Why do we hunt these monkeys? They eat my grandpa's plants and citrus. So we will have to hunt these all holiday and we will have for the next month. Now we spotted the monkey.
Daar sit hy. Jy sal mooi moet vat.
Miss. I thought it was miss, but we actually dropped him. After that, we spotted so many monkeys.
Vat. Mooi vat. Mooi.
Fast. After all of the success, we couldn't find any monkeys.
Nothing.
They were just too far away, so we just decided we can move spots and go check somewhere else.
Yeah.
On the way, we spotted some big Nyala bulls. These stuff are growing so fast.
Hy is 'n groot bulle.
Ek kan nooit ervan. At the new spot, we immediately found more.
Okay. Sit hom aan.
Hy is aan.
Is dit blou of is dit
Grys.
okay?
Nou moet jy mooi vat. Jy moet hom fyn skiet, jy moet nie te hoog maak nie.
Raak.
Afval hy.
That shot was absolute cinema.
Jy mooi kans. Daar sien nou. Perfect.
Waar?
Daar links.
Oh,
Jy vat 'n bietjie hoog.
How did I miss 2 shots in a row?
What
Like
you think?
hell.
ja. Nie daai nie.
Jy kan hom vat.
Het hom. Dit raak hom.
After that shot, I felt that I couldn't miss anything.
Okay, hou hom net op. Daar's een.
And I just missed him.
Oh my word,
just
oupa.
missed. Before I end the video there, let me tell you about the verse of the day. Exodus 14 verse 14. The Lord will fight for you. You need only to be still. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I will be posting my next video on Thursday. Peace.